Expanding your living space into the backyard is an exciting project, but it often starts with a major decision. Should you build a ground-level patio or a raised deck? The easiest way to choose is by looking at your yard's natural topography. If your property is completely flat, a patio is a natural, seamless extension of your home. If your yard has steep slopes, rocky terrain, or dramatic elevation changes, a raised deck is the superior choice. The structural framing easily levels out the usable space above the uneven ground. Patios are installed directly on the ground using materials like poured concrete, stamped pavers, or natural flagstone. They offer a grounded, organic feel that blends beautifully into surrounding landscaping. Because they are built from stone and concrete, patios are incredibly durable. They can easily support massive weight, making them the ideal foundation for heavy outdoor kitchens, masonry fire pits, and large hot tubs. Decks are elevated platforms constructed from pressure-treated wood or modern composite materials. They are perfect for homes where the main living area sits high above the actual backyard level. The primary advantage of a raised deck is the vantage point. Elevating your outdoor living space provides unobstructed views of your property and creates a breezy, open-air entertainment area. Traditional wood decks require significant upkeep, including biannual power washing and restaining to prevent rot. Patios generally require far less maintenance, usually needing just occasional sweeping and joint sand replenishment. If you love the elevated look of a deck but hate the maintenance, composite decking is the ultimate solution. It mimics the texture of natural wood, but never splinters, fades, or requires staining. Decks often require extensive municipal permits due to their structural height and usually offer less natural privacy from neighbors. Patios sit low to the ground, making it easier to create secluded, private retreats using tall plants. Create the ultimate backyard retreat tailored perfectly to your property and lifestyle. For expert outdoor design and professional construction, visit bvcontractors.com or call us at 479-903-1630.